Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And today we are going to unbox something really good. And a lot of people are asking me to unbox some premium, so specifically which came this year, and and more specifically which came in India. So I bought this. So I didn't buy the second one because I honestly felt it's waste of money because you know I do like Hotwheels premium, but these are like full metal and just painted. Literally everything else, the detailings are just painted. Nothing is actually there, like acrylic headlights or something like that. So okay, so let's unbox this and see how this one looks. So okay, this one MRP is 549. I think I bought 20 rupees less. I don't remember now, but I bought it a little bit less, like 10 rupee or 20 rupee less than the MRP. So again, I bought it from a local store, not from Amazon or anywhere. Still, some sites have this particular car. Like I think it's in fee. There are a few other websites. I'm really not much inclined towards website when it comes to Hot Wheels, but still, if you guys want to purchase these kind of things from online, so that is Kids in Fee and Cars and Dolls. These are some of the websites you can buy, but yeah, everyone will be in that website, so it's your luck. I'm just trying to not to damage this card. Okay, even with the new knife, these things are really hard to cut. It's the one other reason I really bought this casting was this is from Gran Turismo. So I really wanted to see how this one actually feels in the hand, how heavy this is. Okay, so the initial impressions of this casting, this casting is a bit heavy because it's full metal, as you know. So if anyone is new to premium segment and they doesn't know, so let me tell you. So the premium ones which will be having full metal, like which means metal body and metal chassis. This is metal, and it will be having a unique set of rims, and it will be having rubber tires. So this is what makes premium a bit costly and which you know separates from the main lines, even the STH in the main lines, and the detailing will be a little bit good compared to the main lines, but the casting is going to be the same one if you guys are wondering. So we did unbox one premium before in the channel, so I'm not sure how many of you remember that. Let me just show you. There it is. So that's a Chevy Corvette, I think CX9, I guess, which I unboxed, I think, a year back. Okay, so let's talk about this casting. So there are some irregularities in the paint job. Let me just, yeah, you can see some dots here. These are actually paint bubbling. This is not exactly dots. A little bit of paint bubbling there, and it has some grill details, but these are actually like painted, and it has this hook. This is supposed to, you need to. This is how they, pull the car. They will put that latch here, and they will just pull. That is what is how it is supposed. This is supposed to be. You can see the fenders and everything. This looks really good, but not really that nice. Okay, so when it comes to the headlights, okay, so I honestly thought these things are just painted, but these are actually some kind of acrylic here, which is really nice. So until I unboxed it today, I didn't know that. I, to be very honest, I really thought these are just paint. That's the one of the main reason I didn't buy it. But I'm happy that I actually bought it, even though rest of the details are just most of them are just painted. So this again, so if you are comparing this with Major and other brands, this is not going to be having any suspension of any kind, and okay, so let's do a roll test. I know this is premium and it has rubber wheels. I know it's not going to roll like that normal main lines, but let's try. Okay, it rolls a bit okay. Honestly, compared to some other main lanes, this rolls really nice. Okay, there is no wheel wobble because the casting is heavy and it subdues that wheel wobble even if it has something. It is got a bit dusty even after I washed it. Okay, fine. So yeah, overall it's a good casting. So if you guys are still wondering whether if you guys didn't buy this casting so far, and if you are getting this at a reasonable price, my suggestion would be go ahead and buy it. So it is nice, really nice. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.